This is optional chaining, also known as the ternary conditional operator. It's similar to the traditional dot syntax, which lets you access an object and its properties. Say you have a list of cats. You might have some data that looks like this to track them. You can use dot notation to get to the fur color. But what if you have a cat that has no fur? In that case, you'd get an error. You can try fixing it by using the ternary operator. But that's not the most readable code. The optional chaining operator performs this test for you. If the fur object doesn't exist, it will return undefined instead of null, so you don't get the error. Now that's much better. Good kitty. This is one of JavaScript's 2020 features, and browser support is spotty. So make sure you're using a transpiler like Babel if you want this to work in older browsers.